Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power x is equals to 3 power x plus 9 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write this as x power x is equals to, now according to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can break it as x power m times x power n. So similarly, we can write here 3 power x times 3 power 9. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3 power x. So here we can eliminate this. So x power x by 3 power x is equals to 3 power 9. Here we can write this as x by 3 whole power x is equals to 3 power 9. Now I'm going to multiply with 1 by 3 power both sides. So it becomes x by 3 whole power x by 3 is equals to, we can eliminate this, 3 power 3. Now we can compare both sides and what we see that x by 3 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 times 3, that is 9. So the value of x is 9 in this case. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.